Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see chapter 7, numbers up to 20, counting backwards and comparing numbers. Let me see counting backward topic as first, okay? Counting onwards, we have seen it already. Counting onwards means 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Counting backward means start from 20 and ends up to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are counting backwards from 20 to 1. Missing numbers. What comes next? Which means whatever the number is given, we have to find the number after the last number, or where the question is given, we have to find it. Okay, look at the first problem. What comes next? 15, 16, 17, 18. After 18, what comes? Yes, 19. Very good. So look at the second problem. What comes next? 15, 14, 13, 12. This way is called counting backward method. So before 12, what comes? 11. This is your homework part. You have to complete it by using counting onward method and counting backward method. Next topic is comparing numbers. Look at the two sets of boxes. In first box is considered as A. In second box is considered as B. How many sheep are there in box A? 5. How many sheep are there in box B? 8. From 5 and 8, which is greater? B is greater. From A and B, which is lesser or which is smaller? A. So, group B has a greater number of sheep than group A. Similarly, group A has a smaller number of sheep than group B. In next example, honeybees are given. In set C, how many honeybees are there? 4. In set D, how many honeybees are there? 8. From these two, which is smaller? Set C is smaller. Which is greater? Set D is greater. We can say it as group C has a smaller number of bees than group D. Or we can say it as group D has a greater number of bees than group C. Look at the next example. Here grid boxes are given. In first two grids, totally 19 dots are there. In second two grids, totally 12 dots are there. From 19 and 12, which is smaller? Yes, 12 is smaller than 19. Which is greater? 19 is greater than 12. Hope you all understood how to compare the given numbers. Circle the smaller number. Here two t-shirts are given. In green t-shirt 20 is given and in orange t-shirt 17 is given. From these two, which is the smaller number? You have to circle it. Okay, think of it and circle the smaller number. This is your homework. Look at the next question. Cross out the greater number. In green t-shirt 12 is given and in orange t-shirt 16 is given. From these two, which is the greater number? You have to think of it and cross out the greater number. Okay. Hope you all understood about how to counting backward, how to find the missing number and comparing numbers and which is greater and which is smaller. Thank you, my dear kids.